Okay, so this video is helping us understand subtraction with regrouping. And again, this is another area that a lot of students really struggle because the understanding of what regrouping is in subtraction really kind of gets them stuck. So again, we start with the concrete and then move into the representational, and then we complete the abstract. So we're going to do all of this at one time so students can see. So I have 4 10s and I have 5 1s. We're going to take some away from what I have. So that's one thing that students sometimes struggle. They think that they'll need another group of 10, or 2 more groups of 10, and 7 more 1s, because they'll misunderstand that this is addition. But we have to kind of remind them that this is subtraction. What do I do when I'm subtracting? It means I'm taking some away. So that sometimes needs to be reinforced with our students so that they kind of understand that concept. So now we're going to do 5 minus 7. But before we do that, we're going to talk about our representation. So in our representation, we have 4 10s and 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put it up here. And 5 1s. So now we can see that our representation or picture or model looks like our concrete example. So now we can go into the subtraction part. Well, I have 5 here, but I need to take away 7. What do we do? Oh, we've got a problem. This is where hopefully they connect to the idea of, oh, can I go over here and borrow from some of these and from the group of 10s to be able to subtract? Yes. So this is where we start, again, the concrete idea of, okay, now I'm going to break apart a group of 10, and the actual concrete ability to break it up with their hands is very key here. So we broke up a group of 10 and moved it to the 1s place. Well, what does that look like in our representation? So what did we do? We took away a group of 10 and we moved them to the 1s place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 15 in the 1s place and 3 10s. Now that I have 15 here, can we take away 7? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so students will be able to count how many they have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the concrete example, we have 8 left. Well, what are we going to do in the representation model to show that? Well, I can mark out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 5, 6, 7, 8. So how do we show this how do we show this in the abstract? Well, what did we do? We took one away from the 4 when we moved it over. How many was left? 3 are left. That's why I have 3 now. The 10 I moved over, I added 10 to my 5. So now I'm to have 15 minus 7. When we marked out those 7, how much should we have left? We have 8. And now I have my 3 10s minus 2 10s is going to give me 1 10. So again, the understanding the connection of the concrete connected to the representational picture, connected to the abstract equation, really helps students to connect. They'll probably need to use the manipulatives for quite a few times in order to really understand and grasp the concept. Once they're able to draw the representation without the manipulatives, then we can take the manipulatives out for those who don't need it. But some students may still need the support with the manipulatives in 2nd grade. So this is an example just to show you of how we can support our students in subtracting with regrouping.